Okay, so I've just opened up a little trench here. You know, we'll pretend this is like a meter square. But I got this nice neon orange mattock, and hopefully it will help us to loosen up some of the topsoil here. You can see this kind of green layer is like where a lot of the sort of plants and foliage and things will come up on the top, and we're not going to find a lot of artifacts we can date there. So we're just going to kind of pick this away, break it up a little. We might find some grayish sort of clay material in the topsoil. There might be something. Oh, I think I see something. We don't know. Yeah, that makes sense. This is pretty recent soil, so probably some quarantine related materials will end up in that topsoil. But I think I'm starting to see another layer under that topsoil there, so I am going to switch from the pick to something to this trowel so that we have a little bit more control, and just slowly take that layer away from the hole. We'll clean up our profile later. And I'm seeing a little bit of a brown color in this soil here. Nothing yet to quite indicate where that's coming from or what we might find in here, but maybe we'll run into something that'll give us some clues. Nothing so far, still in that brown layer, but it's getting a little bit more varied, I think. Oh my god, look. We take away that brown layer, there's some sherds here, like some, let me just like quickly remove some of the soil and grab my brush so I can clean them off. Where did I put that little thing? Oh, over here. Okay, I'm just gonna clean these off really quick. Get the soil off from around them. Ooh, they're already loose. Okay, perfect. So in that case, I will put them over here into our imaginary artifact bag with the hand sanitizer, but in a separate bag. Okay, I think that's all the sherds. Let's get, this looks like the soil is getting a lot darker, so maybe we're entering a new layer here. Okay, let's see what happens if we move this top. Ooh, that's really some thick earth. It's very heavy. I'm seeing some red color. Usually when I come across that, it tends to be an indication of some kind of burn. There might be like some scorching, or if we notice any charcoal. Oh yeah, there's definitely some red in this layer. I'm really thinking there's probably a fire, maybe a fire that affected some mud bricks. Oh, I see an artifact poking out, but we're not going to take it up until we get to that layer. This black earth here really looks like charcoal. Let's see. Oh yeah, a lighter. This looks like definitely a fire. I'm gonna brush this one off too. That's interesting. I wonder when this was. We can't date this because it's oh, that's still on there. I don't have like radiocarbon stuff, but this we couldn't really radiocarbon date anyway. We can just assume that it's at least older than the sherds because of stratigraphy. Put that in the bag. Okay, a little bit more of this dark earth. Oh, I heard something there. Oh wow. Oh, there's some more sherds. Oh, these have these like really beautiful blue color here. Get those ready to go. Brush them out. Yeah, these are already loose too. Okay, we're gonna pick those up really carefully, put them in their own artifact bag. And I'm also obviously taking the time to draw every layer and to photograph and record where all the artifacts come from. A little more. Oh, I'm feeling some variation in like the shape of the layer here. It's like a lump of some kind. That's odd. This earth is really still heavy. There's a lot of fire. Oh, I see something poking out under this red layer here. Oh, oh wow, those are really big. Those are some really big sherds. Wow, that's so cool. Let's see, let's brush off some of the dust, the dirt here, and try to, wow, it's really hard with, oh, there's a little something. Gotta make sure that goes in the bag. Here, so that when we do pull it up, it's not still stuck in the earth, especially because there's these two pieces here, which are more or less on top of each other. So I'm gonna carefully take off this top one so we can take out the bottom one too. Okay, that went smooth. I'm gonna set it aside. And then try to dig up this one. Okay, that one feels good to go. But these are so big, I don't want to put them in a bag quite yet. There's little tiny fragments around. Okay, the next layer, we're gonna trowel it. Oh, maybe some more of this same pot. It's got that same really like nice purple glaze to it. I wonder if that glaze is how it was, or if it's got something to do with the fire, because it's got this like reddish purpley color going on. Okay. Okay, now that that's clear, we can slowly, okay, nice. Huh, all right, I think we should probably cover up this layer for now, and come back tomorrow. We'll get our tarp here and cover it up like that. Okay, and God, I think these might be from the same piece. Let's see if we can assemble them. In the meantime, ooh, we have the base, so that's helpful. We don't have the whole base. This is certainly not a complete pot, but it is not far from it. This, oh God, perfect, that goes there. Okay, and this one, no, I think, yeah. Oh, nice. Wow. Look at how beautiful that is. That stays so nice. We're missing some of these little fragments of glaze, but otherwise this is a really beautiful piece. It looks, I don't know, stylistically it feels very Southern California, but it's odd to find something like that all the way in New England. I'll have to, like, I guess bring it in and talk to the ceramicist, but in any case, thank you for joining me on our first day of this new dig, where we found really kind of a lot of cool stuff, a lot of potsherds, including this beautiful, more than 50% complete vessel. So yeah, we're excited about our finds and looking forward to the next few days of excavation.